Hi, good morning. In this wonderful morning, I would like to talk about a phrasal verb. As I have explained before, a phrasal verb can be understood as a verb and also as a preposition. And in this case, we have this one, carry on. The first one is the verb and the second one is the preposition. So the phrasal verb carry on has several meanings, primarily relating to continuation and sometimes to behavior. It can mean to continue doing something, to continue moving, or to behave in a disruptive or uncontrolled way. Moreover, it can be used to mean to continue a relationship, often a romantic one, when it shouldn't be. The first example is to continue doing something. So this is the most common meaning. It signifies continuing an activity, a conversation, or a process. An example could be, let's carry on this discussion later. Another example could be, carry on with your work while I'm gone. More examples when we want to talk about to continue moving. This meaning refers to continuing in a particular direction or location. And the example could be, carry on until you get to the junction, then turn left. Another example to express that someone behaves in a disruptive or uncontrolled way could be, the children were shouting and carrying on. So this informal meaning suggests acting in an agitated, excited, or anxious manner, often in a way that is not appropriate. So these are the examples that I have for this phrasal verb. So you can use them in your conversations, and this phrasal verb for sure is going to help or improve your vocabulary and also your speaking. So it is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.